Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keyboard pen detection for handwriting on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now go down and tap on Handwriting and tap on Pen Detection. So what this does is that when you are using the keyboard on your device, if you are using the S Pen and it comes close to the keyboard, now the keyboard should automatically detect that the pen is nearby, and thereby it should automatically open up the handwriting pad for you to use. Now I find that it doesn't always work the way we want it to work. Now, for example, if I put it right next to my note, it doesn't actually bring up the handwriting keyboard. So let me open up this one here. For example, I'm going to try to bring up the handwriting keyboard to see if it works. So at the moment, you can see there is a keyboard right here, but there's no handwriting keyboard that's supposed to come up. So normally if we tap on the toolbar right here, handwriting, this is supposed to come up automatically. It's supposed to automatically detect the S Pen, and that should automatically comes up, but it's not doing it. Sometimes it does it, sometimes not, so I'm not sure why. But that is a function there. That functions allow you to basically turn that feature on or off. So handwriting, pen detections. So it doesn't always work. So let me just decrease the time to 0.1 second or maybe 0.3 and tap on the back key. See if I open up my text. So I'm not sure if this time it bring up or not. So I'm going to turn back the keyboard and then I'll tap on the home key. So you can see this time it automatically bring up the handwriting pad right here. And there it is. So that's how you can use that feature. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.